Looking to choose between FreeCAD 1.0 and Fusion 360 for your next design project? Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or a professional, making the right pick can save you a ton of time, money, and frustration. Let us dive into the pros and cons of each so you can decide which one is right for you. First up, what is FreeCAD? FreeCAD is a powerful open-source parametric 3D modeler. That might sound like a mouthful, but it's completely free and completely capable. Version 1.0 just released, and it marks a big milestone with enhanced stability and brand new features. Now, before we go any further, full disclosure, FreeCAD is not a one-man operation. There are dozens of contributors making this thing awesome. But FreeCAD's development would not be possible without its passionate leader. Now on to the differences. Fusion 360 is Autodesk's cloud-based CAM platform. It combines industrial and mechanical design, simulation, rendering, and machining, all in one interface. Fusion 360 wins when it comes to a polished and user-friendly interface. It's sleek, modern, and intuitive, especially for beginners. FreeCAD 1.0 has improved, but it still feels more engineer-y and raw. FreeCAD is also highly modular. This gives you ultimate control and customization over your workflow, but it can be overwhelming if you don't know what you're doing. On the other hand, Fusion will feel more accessible right out of the gate. Both tools support parametric design, assemblies, and 2D drawing generation. But Fusion 360 really shines when it comes to integrated simulation, rendering, and especially CAM tools for CNC workflows. It's a one-stop shop for product development from concept to finished design. FreeCAD 1.0 has improved part design, tech draw for drafting, and even FEM and path workbenches. But as powerful as those tools are, they feel more like separate puzzle pieces compared to Fusion's seamless experience. FreeCAD is 100% free. No subscriptions, no trials, no licensing worries. You own your data and your workflows. Fusion 360 does offer a free personal license, but for commercial use, expect to pay a monthly subscription. And being cloud-based, you'll also need an internet connection and trust in Autodesk servers. Fusion 360 has official Autodesk support, a massive user community, and plenty of tutorials online. FreeCAD's community is just as passionate, with a growing number of YouTubers, forums, and GitHub contributions. The bottom line, both of these tools can get the job done. Fusion is great for individual creators, students, and small teams who want powerful tools and an easy-to-use interface. It's also a good choice if you plan to use Fusion as cloud-based data management and collaboration features. FreeCAD is 100% free and a good choice. If you want full control over your workflow and don't mind diving into the weeds of a more complex program, ultimately the best way to decide is to try them both and see which one fits your needs. And don't forget to tell us in the comments which one you're using and why. Thanks for watching.